products we have on this table here. They are very nutritious, they are very healthy. And whatever nutrition facts that are on these products, they are very, very reliable. In that the time we spend going to hospitals because of different health challenges or something, these are very okay, and they are also very, very okay for the children. Instead of feeding our children a lot of junk, we can save so much time and money. Just adopt to having vegetables in our diets. Let's change our diet and not